What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into a smart travel mug to keep your coffee warm for 12 hours. And why is it smart? Because it comes with the LCD display to show you the current temperature inside it. So if I have to rephrase myself here, that you're not burning your mouth or tongue with the coffee or tea anymore, because now you know what is the temperature inside. And be careful too. Now within the mug you can keep your cold to cold or hot to hot at about 12 hours. Battery on the temperature display can last you up to 500 days, no problem whatsoever. Here is the temperature ranges on the top. Come in multiple of colors. I will leave a link for all of them in a video description. The one I chosen is the black color, and to be honest with you, it looks fantastic as well with this reindeer in the middle. So I'm sure this will be a fantastic gift for this Christmas. Definitely you can have so many colors in there. Obviously the black is fantastic looking for sure, no doubt whatsoever. Under the base of mug you have a warning information as well as what kind of material is being used in it. Where on the top of the mug you have a temperature indicator which activates by just simply pressing on top of it, just like that. Now body inside the mug is completely stainless steel 304 and a strainer on the top as well if you would like to use this mug for the tea. Now if you're interested in knowing that how efficient is the insulation of this smart mug, I have put a chart on screen for you to look into, which will exactly give you that how many hours and what type of temperature you need to have for it efficient to be available in cooling as well as being hot as well. Now for the sake of demonstration, let me go ahead and put some cold water inside the mug and show you what is the temperature following with the hot water. With the cold water, we got a temperature of around 16 degrees. I can leave this one inside for 24 hours if I want to, just to prove the point that how much it's going to be. And now let's go for the hot water. I've already put the kettle on to see how much temperature we're gonna go up to. Here you go, about 62, and its temperature is still rising actually. So about 91 to 94. That's not that bad at all. So the temperature inside the mug is about 91 degrees. Now I will be definitely using this as smart coffee mug basis. So if you have any questions about it, you can let me know in a comment section down below. Now to conclude, to be honest with you, it's just a mug which I got in a very competitive price, come with the temperature display, help me to not burn my mouth, I would suppose so, and looks fantastic as well if you got in your hand. Now if I talk about the temperature, which is from inside to outside transfer, it's a very minimal, actually very minimal, so I can hold it in my hand without any problems. Now if you're thinking of purchasing this smart coffee mug for your loved one this Christmas, I will leave a link for that in a video description, where you have got a choice as well that which color you can go for. Now that would be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you soon into another video. Bye for now.